a special region of 3 different locations: Singapore, Johor, and the Riau Islands. You've got a mix of both interconnected locations as well as locations that can support a high amount of power.
The SIJORI region has phenomenal potential, but for it to thrive, it needs a catalyst. That's why WMedia is organizing SIJORI Week.
In the business world, I would say golf is the ultimate networking playground. And today, we are joined by 70+ digital infrastructure leaders with us here. So let's hit the greens and start off this amazing week.
We're now joined by our platinum sponsors. We've got Indrama from NutraDC Nexera Batam. So can you tell us how was the day for you?
Well, I think it's a fantastic day. This is my first international open golf for myself. I think everybody has a fun thing today.
Today was amazing. We met some new people, some industry veterans. It was great to network with everybody. The course conditions were amazing, so I'm really happy. Yeah, it was a great day today.
So you're looking forward to next year's event then?
Absolutely. I hope we do it every year.
The golf tournament kicked off SIJORI in a fantastic way, but the excitement continues. Over the next few days, we're looking forward to data center tour. After the successful data center tour, now we're heading off to the Interconnect World Forum in Batam.
Interconnect World marks a tour to showcase not only existing data center players in Nong Sa Digital Park. It also helped us to bring the awareness of what we have in Batam, in Nong Sa Digital Park, Special Economic Zone, to other global DC players.
The data center industry is a backbone for artificial intelligence. Without data centers, the technologies we are talking about, ChatGPT, Sora, and all those kind of latest technology wouldn't be possible. And therefore, we see data center industry as an important cornerstone industry for us to propel Malaysia into this new sector.
From this workshop or from this conference, the takeaway will be we understand where the government policies are standing. We understand what MDEC is trying to do. We also understand what is the actual demand from our OTT and hyperscaler customers. So with all this information as a network and service provider, we are able to do things better and faster. And is my trip here worthwhile? I'll say yes, because I'm able to engage with customers, I'm able to engage with the authorities, and I'm also able to engage with the other partners who are in the same infrastructure game that we want to do, and we want to provide the best for our country, for our nation, and also for our customers.
I could see we have more telcos, more AI guys joining us. How do you do that?
As a media and events producer, we wish to continue to bring in the latest trends, technologies and best practices to our audience, to our communities, not just in the developed cities, but also in the emerging cities as well. We have been through 3 cities in a space of 5 days. It's a combination of a lot of people who have been involved in supporting WMedia in our entire journey in bringing the whole ecosystem together. If you miss SIJORI Week, we'll be back next year
With the movers
and shakers.
of the cloud and data center industry.
See you!